You started that.
Started what?
You were feeding the dogs and shit, and now they're fucking begging on us, scratching.
Fucking boot ya!
Goddamn dogs.
Just kidding, Gunner. Just kidding, Gunner. What's going on, buddy?
Our cat is the worst fucker.
There's Bo's Burgers. Where's Bo, though?
Fuck, Bo.
Bo knows burgers.
Bo knows burgers. We're burning shit. We're burning Meyer.
Bo's where?
Right there. Red Meyer. Trying to get jealous.
And there they are. Don't worry about the barbecue. We got it all under control here.
Is it handled or what? Get a bun, quick. Get a bun, quick. Shelly, get a bun, quick. We're gonna burn.
I'd say it's about ready to melt this.
Look at that one.
Oh my God. Thing's fucking burning.
Look at right in the middle.
What, this one?
It's burning. I give up.
Oh my God, what's that?
Tanya? I had a pickle.
Good hamburgers?
Perfect.
Gross. Meat is gross. I want to get this on film. You all will be very ill from
That was great. Good meat. Good.
Kill the deer. Kill the deer. Slit its blood. Kill her throat. Kill the deer. They're in there like, don't eat burgers. It's fucking damned. You'll be damned to hell. I'm like, fuck the bitch. Burn her up. Cut the fucking bitch. Let's fucking try. Eat some burger. Look at the mess that was created. And this is what is resolved.
The solution.
No.
The man with the solution. And the teaser.
Grab that plate.
Teaser. Oh my God.
That plate for the burgers.
Buns, burgers,
Burger,
buns, burgers,
burger
buns,
bun,
burgers.
burger bun.
Buns between the burgers.
A good one.
That's a good.
Backlight.
Cool. Cool. Everyone watches. So throw his hand in
Oh.
his nose. He's painting. You put it on his hand. Oh, no. Troy. Troy. He's waiting. He's just waiting. No, he's not. It's Mr. Happy Man.
Slide off their arm and bring it in.
Did you do put some on? This is some serious shine.
Yeah, I gave him some lotion.
He's still breathing, so he didn't die.
I like this too. I see his face. Do the inside of his hands and like that.
This, we'll watch it on the video and you're gonna love it.
Alright, but I still want to know who they are.